Hello, my name is Tessa Evans, and this is my persuasive speech. Located off the coast of Asia are four main islands and thousands of smaller ones. This is known as Japan. Most of Japan's population is gathered around main cities because only 18% of Japan's land is suitable to live on. For instance, the capital city Tokyo has a whopping 36 million people who call it home. Japan is the world's third largest economy. The country has produced many things such as vehicles, microchip technology, manufacturing tools, and many different metals, including steel. Economy growth usually does not coincide with the environment, though a few countries like Japan are taking big steps to change that. In the past few decades, scientists have noted the toll our actions have taken on this Earth, such as the death and disappearance of plants and animals, bipolar weather, massive natural disasters, and other unusual things. Japan has made it a mission to make the environment, technology, and sustainability go hand in hand. There are many examples of this, but I would like to focus on how Japan has combated air pollution, nuclear power, and climate change. Present society generates a lot of trash, and on an island, there's only so much room. The large amount of waste Japan needed to burn led to a massive amount of air pollution. For example, cities like Tokyo have improved air qualities their qualities by implementing public transportation and streets designed for people to walk and cycle on. This change not only helps clean the air, but also promotes a healthy lifestyle. Another big issue Japan is dealing with today is the result of 2011 Fukushima nuclear power plant disaster. Not only did the plant emit a large amount of radiation that people who lived in the surrounding areas were exposed to, but also Tokyo Electric Power Company revealed that there was a massive radioactive water lake that was going into the Pacific Ocean. This polluted the water, the animals, and all the individuals that ate the animals. And then finally, a few years later, Japan's prime minister ordered the government to step in. According to the World Health Organization, Japanese authorities started to monitor food products and stop the consumption and distribution of certain goods that were found in areas with high counts of radiation. This disaster happened because of a technological defect, and now Japan publishes discoveries regularly of food monitoring results on the Ministry of Health website to uphold social standards and to keep ecological protection in check. Climate change is also another problem people across all borders have to deal with. The international issue needs to be addressed and fixed. This global issue is rapidly becoming more apparent by the rise of sea level, temperature increase, ocean acidity, shrinking ice sheets, extreme events, and glacier retreating. Fixing the issue needs to start with the way people create and use technology. Japan is a great model of a country taking action and changing the framework of major manufacturers that put out a lot of pollution. For example, a company called Komatsu. It's nationwide, and it has taken a stance with sustainability and works to cut electricity consumption down by half. And they're getting this by installing solar panels, getting renewable energy from the ground, improving equipment, and installing technology to analyze where the energy is being wasted. Journalist Michael Fitzpatrick suggested that cutting energy demand by 10% across the board in Japan has eliminated the need for about 14 nuclear reactors, according to the government figures. In conclusion, Japan's energy efficiency plan is a system nations need to adopt and appreciate. The U.S. burns an annual average of about 9,500 kilowatt hours per capita in every household, compared to Japan's average of about 5,000 kilowatt hours a year per household. Finding a balance in sustainability or finding a balance in sustaining life is difficult, but with the help of policies, inventors, and nations coming together, the pace of climate change could plummet, air pollution disappear, and our wastefulness could be undone. We need to grow our sustainability as a nation so the earth will look and be the same for generations to come. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope you have a great day.